Hi and welcome to the Data Pitman channel. Today we've not so good news. There's a message from the Facepager user group from Jakob, telling about how things are going with Facebook. Let's take a look at it. Dear Facepager users, the world of platforms is constantly changing. Particularly, the Facebook API is restricted more and more. Some IDs are missing, some basic page metadata is unavailable, and the more pages are transferred to the new page experience, the more problems will occur. I'm writing you because many of the questions we get here and elsewhere are related to the Facebook API restrictions. We can't help in this situation, but we will try something. Well, the issue is that for time to time, Facebook are changing the way that he provides access through API to its content, and really, this sucks. It's really annoying. And Jakob, with his wonderful work with the Facepager software, that's a really great software that communicate with several kinds of APIs and put all together in a database and can be exported as a CSV file. I say that for the non-programmer, this is one of the best tools available for free. And continue with his message, you can say that at the moment we are in a renewal process that hopefully will be completed by the end of March. The yearly data checkup review of Facebook. In this course, we'll try to reapply for the permissions needed and yet missing to access basic page data. Every tool had to make an application to Facebook in order to have access, and NetVis, for example, wasn't approved. So it was one of the most interesting tools running on Facebook that we had, but NetVis unfortunately was not approved. And Facepager was an alternative to collect this data and then treat it all along to use this to present results like graph relations, a graph file with relations among pages, but it's getting hard to collect this kind of data. But continuing with this. This may work well, but every review is a risk. We don't know whether access to the API will be granted afterwards. So please be prepared to completely lose access to the Facebook API via Facepager. We try our best without any guarantees. Fingers crossed, Jakob. We are all together with fingers crossed, Jakob, and we hope that Facebook will grant a better access through the API to your software that all of us are using to do digital methods analysis. Well, for those viewing this video, I'm set to talk about this and to give you this information that was posted by Jakob on the Facepager user group, but is all we got for now, and the risks that Jakob is taking is the ones that needed to be done. So let's everybody cross fingers to Jakob, okay? If you like this kind of video, please give a like, subscribe to the channel. You can also support the channel through some information that we give in the comments or in the description of each of the videos, and it would be nice to have some support from all of your viewers, okay? Cheers, and see you in the next video.